What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Finally got some r888s for this car. The tires that are on here, they're about 10 years old. I can't find where the date is, but they're from 2014, and you could just tell they're in absolutely horrendous condition. So what I'm gonna do is to throw the tires in the car, put the top down, and we're gonna head to the tire shop down the street, put the tires on so I can actually drive safely. Then I also gotta go pick up the oil and do the oil change. I don't know if the oil change is going to be in this video, but we'll also talk about the SLP loudmouth this car has. I'll show you right now. You can see right there, it says, I don't think you can read it, but it says SLP. This is how long this car's been sitting. Look at all this, bro. It's hella dirty. I will get under here and clean all this up. But also, somebody commented that the lowering springs for the convertible car is different than the coupe. I didn't know that was a thing, but I guess it is. So I might change the springs out too. See how that changes the car. Damn, it's a little cold right now, but I got the top down. Amazing. The SLP sounds so good. My homie Shim and my neighbor, he had a boilerless Stinger on his car, and it sounded hella good too. His attacks were crazy loud though. Y'all hear that? Damn. Car sounds really good. But yeah, so I got the r888s. JLT intake's coming in pretty soon. Hopefully it'll whine a little more. I've been reading all of the comments. Somebody left a very thorough comment saying that I shouldn't have taken that shield off, so I'll look into that. And then he's also the guy who said that the convertible has a different set of lowering springs that you install. They're not the coupe ones, so I'm also gonna look into that. Okay, look at what the fuck is this dude doing? And yeah, but once I get these r888s on, I can drive it a little more safely. Just picked up the spark plugs today too. So that, the oil change, maybe the tranny fluid, change that out too. Don't know when that was done. So I might do that too.
Yeah, it got locks?
Nah.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll be good. Should be pretty quick.
Got time.
Look at that. He was about to jack it up from the IRS in the back, and I read something about that you can't jack those cars up from there. So every time I hear that noise, I think of the movie Cars. All right, just got the tires installed. Going back home. I just got back to the house, got the new meat on there. So I have decided that I'm probably gonna take the eye flitters out of the springs to drop the car a little bit and run a spacer on it. The fenders, I just found out they're rolled already, so should be good. All right, so as soon as I got home, the JLT performance intake just came in, so we might as well slap that on as well. So looks like it's pretty straightforward. I'm not the most mechanically inclined person, but I've changed a few intakes, a few cold air intakes in my time. Let's unbox these things right here, all these clamps. Clamps for the thingy. The throttle body, I'm gonna clean it up, but I think the car, I was just talking to my homie, I think we're gonna have to put a catch can on this or something. All right, I got this nasty filter off. It was a pain in the ass to get it out of here, but all right, guys, got the intake installed. Pretty straightforward process, you know, not too hard. But anyways, I'm gonna start it up. Let's see if I fucking through any codes. Any lights? No? Alright guys. I'm gonna get gas in the car first before I try to see if we can hear some blower whine. But so far the car is driving better though. Cause I mean that air filter was absolutely disgusting though. So and she is looking beautiful though. This is cinematic mode on iPhone too, so it's pretty good. I do want to get the SVT heat exchanger down there, so I'll think about that next. But right now that oil cash can, oil change, all that stuff is way more important. Alright, we'll definitely hear some blower whine now. So, checked everything, looks pretty normal. Do a little rev. Not bad. Whine's way more. Wasn't whining like that before. But yeah guys, probably gonna do it for this video. Next video for sure gonna do that oil change. Probably get some new coolant in there as well. Plugs are in the garage, so probably call it for this video. And let me know if I should take these off. Might do that too for more coolant. Yeah, here you go.